What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota Tundra remote key fob. This Toyota Tundra key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my finger's on, and the key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to use this key to open the key fob case. So if we take a look at the bottom of it, in that area where this key just slid out of, we see there's this notch right here. It's a little bit difficult to see with the shadows, but you can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key right here. And if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on it. So what I'm going to do is take my key and insert it into that notch like this. Make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock. And as I do that, you can see it opens the case. Then I'll make sure my key fob is facing with the buttons down and pull this back cover off. And we see our battery right here. And I'll grab my key and use the end of it to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. And then if your circuit board has moved around, make sure it's sitting down in that clear rubber piece where it needs to be. Then we can snap the two halves back together, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.